Be careful there's some mite activity on here. Be careful with that. Keep an eye on that.
Inside this greenhouse of the MTC-operated North Central Correctional Complex in Ohio, instructor Scott McCready prepares his students for success.
We give gentlemen tools so that when they get out of prison, they'll be able to be productive and be able to get hired.
Gardening is Scott's passion, and so is helping these men.
This is doing so much better. This one we took out of the warden's office, didn't we, at one time?
Yeah, we cut it down a little bit too to make it smaller.
Real happy with what I'm doing, and I feel that what I'm doing makes a difference.
These students are learning to become master gardeners, and that's exactly what they'll be once they finish the course, pass 4 state exams, and receive a state license.
They never really did well in school before, and I've talked to gentlemen after they've completed my course. They're not afraid to take college classes.
Checking for mites and whiteflies.
The horticulture program at North Central has a very high success rate, and we're not just talking about learning gardening skills.
I don't want them to come back to prison. And the statistics show that gentlemen that complete a 1-year program and take at least 1 college course, their recidivism rate goes down to very, very low.
Each year, the students grow thousands of pounds of produce. Where does it go?
You don't want to go down to the woody area, just where it's green.
Last year we grew 8,500 pounds of produce that we donate to the disadvantaged here in Marion, Ohio.
The impact is hard to fully capture.
Makes me feel great. It's very powerful. It really is. Especially when I hear stories from success stories, which I do hear a lot of success stories, it just makes me feel proud.